Hi, I'm Phil Simpkins. We're going to discuss Seed Your Startup. So this is Seed Your Startup. What we're looking at, if you have scientists that are blindfolded and only looking at one part of the actual project that you're working on, they're going to see, in this case, like if they have an elephant, they're going to see a spear, or they're going to see a fan from the ears, or if they're checking out the side, they're going to see a wall. But if you take an overall perspective, you're going to see that it's really an elephant and not just what you're touching or feeling or nearby. So that's the perspective of Seed Your Startup. We want to take a look at the overall project and get a good understanding of where we want to go as a team and as a leader. So who am I and why am I good at this training? Well, I've been a project manager for over 25 years. I've had multi-million-dollar contracts, been the point of contact for many projects, but I've also been doing the 3-day startup facilitator. So I've been in the startup world for over 3 years now, checking it all out and helping folks through with their problems so that they can distinguish what they want to accomplish in their arena. I am the COO of Car Calmly when we developed it, and we basically brought a product to market and defined what we wanted to do for our customers and clients. I am a certified systems engineering professional, so for my 25 years of experience, I've been certified to do project management type of processes for the systems engineering and using that capability. If you want to look me up, I'm on LinkedIn, P. Simpkins1, and I'll be wearing a purple shirt and through that. So Siege is an overall process where you want to take a look at your project as we discussed. The individual pieces are called Spark, Investigate, Experiment, Generate, and Expand. So we need to start out with a Spark, some type of plan, what we want to do, where we want to go, where we want to take the team. But we also need to know some market validation. You don't want to be working on a project for 3 months and then find out nobody wants to buy it. So we need to validate the market, see if there's anybody out there to buy anything. You also want to do some experimentation. We don't get everything perfect right away. So we need to take a look at what's out there, what's going to work, what's not, and then also analyze the data, right? We can get a lot of data points, but if we don't look at it correctly or analyze it in a way that makes sense, then we might make some bad decisions. Once we're done with experimenting, which we're really never done experimenting because we always want to do some testing and changing and tweaking, we're going to generate a product. We're going to generate the app. We're going to generate whatever we want to accomplish and what we've done, our testing and investigation. And then from there, once we have a good practicing model, our MVP, we're going to expand and scale and move our product into basically the rest of the world and see where it goes and who wants to buy. So the idea behind Siege is to basically define a path for you so that your product can come to market in a well-defined manner so that we're not floundering out there figuring what to do or stressed out or just kind of just doing fun stuff that intrigues us. We're actually on a path to develop where we want to go. So the actual individual stages in the path. We'll discuss each of those with our Spark, Investigate, Experiment, Generate, and Expand, and see what they all entail. And we'll go into some detail about each of those and start that conversation.